Good morning.
Mr. President was able to hear from them firsthand, not a report through the leadership, as embodied in my person. He did ask some questions, he did make some contributions on basic issues, and gave certain directives that we are working on ensuring that those directives are complied with. And he took our time to thank them personally for their commitment, for their patriotism, and for their dedication to this cause. And the reassurances that we got from Mr. President, I believe, would go a long way in helping the members of the committee become more determined and more resolute in the pursuit of this thing. More aggressive tracing, tracking, and isolation of those infected or those that have shown symptoms, testing to break the chain of any community transmission. I can't assure you that there won't be transmission. There will definitely be transmission, but if we are able to get ahead of the transmission, then we can deal with it decisively. Our people need to go back to their farms so that we are able to raise sufficient food for the people of the country. I mean, the strength of a nation is in its ability to feed itself. Once we are able to deal with issues of shortages of food and the rest of it, these other problems, we would overcome them. The measures that have been taken are not punitive in any way. These are measures that are meant to secure the lives and the wealth of our people. Like Mr. President said, it is not a joke. It is a very, very serious issue. There's no time to play games. We're dealing with an unseen enemy that is vicious, that spreads fast, and that is not a respect of any protocol. So our people will need to understand that everything that Mr. President has put in place is for the good of our people and of our nation. And collectively, I believe, if we cooperate with the government and the processes and the protocols that have been put in place, I can assure you that we will be able to break the transmission and flatten the curve.